Struggling with car body dents? VEVOR 1 professional kit from welding to pulling makes dents repair smoother, more stable and efficient. Supports 6 welding modes to adapt to different studs. Easily switch welding modes and power levels. 3500 to 3900 amperes. Instantaneous peak output creates strong, firm weld joints. Less stud drop-off, rework and panel damage. Quick accessory changes reduce interruptions, adapt to different dents, and create firm pulling points. Withstand repeated pulling force, resists impact and bending. 6-in-1 professional kit for welding, pulling, and shaping. 2 welding guns configuration, less switching and downtime. Works with heat pressing and carbon rod heating for shaping and shrinking, completing the repair from pulling to finishing. Comfortable cushion reduces bending strain, improves stability, and makes dent repair easier. Keep tools neatly organized and within reach.